Level 2 tempo, it's Naomi and the imaginary Peter who went home to put our daughter to bed. But it's actually fine because we worked on swing outs today, just increasing the tempo of them. We started with just footwork drills, doing our 8 count to faster and faster music, wandering the room with it. And that's something you can practice at home alone just to get a little bit more muscle memory and some more speed in your footwork before we start touching each other. And then when we started touching each other, we gave some advice to leaders and followers. It was a lot of different individual points, but remember at the end we talked about big buckets of ideas. So leaders, it's about catching that momentum, not about making the feeling all the time. This is going to be relatively still. You're not going to be pulling on your partner. You don't have to do all that extra work. Followers, we're not going to have all this extra tension in the arms because we stop and we need to restart everything. Followers, you're going to have that continuous momentum the whole time. So yes, we talked about facing your partner, continuing in certain moments, but those are kind of the big ideas for leaders and followers. And then last but not least, we showed the jockey step, which is a great way to start out a fast song, and Brian will be standing in for Peter. So we're going to start with our right foot for followers, left foot for leaders with a tap. We're going to go tap back, tap forward. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which leads really well into a swing out. And that was it.